said it's too much. I say it's just the beginning. Hey everyone, so this girl talks too much. And guess what? I'm not even sorry about it. Talking, sharing stories, speaking my heart out, it's just something I've always loved since I was a kid. And now I'm dreaming of turning this passion into something bigger. Today, I'm sharing a little bit of my journey, my dreams, and why I believe it's never too early to start chasing what you love. Ever since I can remember, I have been that kid, the one who watched news anchor on TV not for the news, but to admire how confidently they spoke. I sat there fascinated, thinking, wow, how do you talk like that without even blinking? Fast forward to today, I have just finished my 10th grade, and guess what? The passion is still alive and louder than ever. I've always loved speaking in public. School assemblies, debates, random announcements. Basically, give me a mic and you won't regret it. Or maybe you will if you don't like long speeches. And a big part of this confidence comes from my English teacher. She didn't just taught me grammar, she taught me to believe in my voice. And honestly, if there's anyone I'm thankful to for kickstarting this journey, it's her. Some people might say, isn't it too early to think this far ahead? But honestly, this isn't for show. It's my passion, it's something I love, and I'm determined to follow it. I know that dreams sometimes change as we grow, and maybe years from now, my goals will look a little different. But that's exactly where I want to give my dream all right now. Because if something lights up your heart today, you owe it to yourself to chase it with everything you have got. And the thing is, starting early matters. One day, I see myself standing in front of the camera, hosting a show or interviewing people that spark real change. Because communication isn't just about talking, it's about connecting, inspiring, and yes, sometimes even making people laugh along the way. So here's to the dream, here's to the hustle, and here's to not let anything or anyone come between me and the mic. Thanks a lot for tuning in. If you have got any cool ideas for what I should talk about next, reach out and share them. Catch you in the next one.